Friends, welcome to free chess videos for all. So today I'm gonna show you one more game in anti-English setup. This game was played between Karthikeyan Murli from India and Maxime Vachier-Lagrave from France. So it was played in 2018, I guess, in a top tournament. So without delay, let's dive into the game. So the game started with e4, c5, knight f3, d6, d4, cd, knight takes d4, knight f6, knight c3, a6. So here Karthikeyan played bishop e3. So Maxime played knight g4. We have already seen this move. So bishop g5, h6, bishop h4, g5, bishop g3, bishop g7, bishop e2. Okay. Now here h5. So bishop can take the knight and then bishop can take the bishop and then f3. So we have seen this move in another game between Anand and Kasparov. So here after h5, h4, knight c6, attacking the d4 knight with the bishop and the knight. So knight comes to f3, pawn takes h4, bishop takes h4. Now queen f5, attacking the c3 knight with the bishop and the queen. So to protect that, queen d2. So after queen d2, bishop e6, rook comes to d1, rook c8, castle. Now Maxime played rook g8. So this rook g8 move, it's not the best move. It's a slight inaccuracy. I just want to show you one more line. Here you can take the c3 knight, okay, with the bishop. So after bishop takes c3, pawn takes c3. Now knight ce5. Now you can play rook b1, attacking the b7 pawn. So pawn comes to b5. So after b5, knight d4. Now queen takes c3, queen takes c3, rook takes c3. Now you can play a4. So if you take the pawn, I can give a check on b8 and take the rook on h8. Okay, so that's why first knight g6. So attacking the bishop, bishop goes to g5. Now you can take the pawn f3. So knight goes to e5 or f6. If you go to e5, then I can push the pawn to f4, attacking the knight. And again, if you come to suppose g4, I can move the pawn again to f5 and forking the e6 and g6 pieces. So it's a best move to go to knight f6. Now you can go to rook b7. Now here the game can continue. This bishop can come to c8, rook can go to a7. Okay, we can see this variation in some other video. Now let's go to the game. Rook g8. So after rook g8, knight d5, queen takes d2, rook takes d2. So bishop h6, attacking the rook. Rook comes to d1, f6. Now c3, bishop comes to g5, trying to exchange the dark square bishop, but Karthikeyan played bishop g3. Now bishop h6 again, knight h4, eyeing the f5 square, king f7, knight goes to f5, bishop takes f5, pawn takes f5. Now rook g5, attacking the pawn, bishop c4, so that you can have a discover attack on the king. So knight a5, bishop comes to d3, protecting the f5 pawn. So after bishop d3, rook c g8, bishop f4, rook goes to g7. Now rook f e1, attacking the e7 pawn, knight comes to c6. Now bishop e4. Here you can go bishop c4 also. So bishop e4, okay, it's also a good move. Now h4, f3, attacking the knight, bishop takes f4, knight takes f4. Now knight g e5, bishop d5 check, king goes to e8, take the g rook and rook takes g8. Okay, sorry, before taking the bishop you have a good move. Knight takes f3, so queen comes to f2. Now knight takes e1. Okay, so bishop d5, because this knight is trapped now. I think Maxim missed this move. So after bishop d5, it's rook g5, king takes e1, rook takes f5. Now knight g6, rook h5, rook goes to d3, because it's already a piece down, but there could be some attacking chances. So rook h6 attacking the knight. So knight comes to f4. Now e5, knight goes to e6. Now knight e7 attacking the bishop. Bishop takes b7. Now king d7. Knight goes to f8 check. King comes to c7. Bishop takes a6. Now d5. c4 from white. Now f5. Bishop b5. After bishop b5, f4, rook goes to a3. So here Maxim resigned the game. So if you see this position, black can't do many things, because the only hope is to push the pawns. Okay, and the plan from white would be to exchange the pawn and push the a pawn or b pawn towards the 8th square, right, to get a queen. So yeah, so this is the game I wanted to show you. So you can analyze a bit this position, this endgame. I don't think black can survive this position, but yeah, there could be some chances for counterplay. But yeah, white is going to win it definitely. So yeah, so I'll upload few more videos on this Knight of Variation pretty soon. So guys, if you like the video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you soon. So till then, stay safe and all the best.